The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. This is the match of the year. The WTT champions, Montpellier 2024, has brought us an unforgettable clash. Alexis Lebrun versus Felix Lebrun, the two brothers who have been captivating the table tennis world. Until now, Felix Lebrun had never managed to overcome Alexis in their previous encounters, with Alexis leading their head-to-head 2-0. Him one of the top contenders in the sport. But today, Felix turned the tables in front of a thrilled home crowd, defeating Alexis 3-1. This breakthrough victory marks a significant milestone in Felix's career, highlighting his growth and resilience as a competitor. Now, with this monumental win behind him, Felix advances to the semifinals, where he will face Lin Shidong, a rising talent from China known for his dynamic and unpredictable play. Who will triumph in this next battle? Felix's confidence is at an all-time high, but Lin Shidong's aggressive style and powerful forehand will be tough to counter. Both players bring extraordinary speed, spin, and strategy, setting the stage for an intense showdown. Will Felix ride the momentum of his victory over his brother, or will Lin Shidong halt his journey in the semis?
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.